Want to get a free month of Claude Fable 5? Follow these simple steps. Go to the GitLab website and click on Get a Free Trial. Create your account, then click on Continue. Check your email, you will receive a verification code. Enter the code in the verification field. Next, fill in the required information. These steps are optional for this guide, so you can complete them yourself. Finally, click on Continue, then click on Start a Free Trial to get 30 days of GitLab for free. Fill in the required fields. Make sure your country is correct, then click on Activate Trial. That's it. Now let's activate Claude. The next step requires phone number verification. After activation, you will have access to several Claude models. In this tutorial, we will focus on the Claude 5. As you can see, we now have access to all the available Claude models. I will copy the prompt I generated in the ChatGPT to create an affiliate marketing website, and I paste it into a Claude. Let's see what kind of website Claude creates. You can also use Claude to build many different types of projects, whether you want to create a website, app, or another online project. Simply provide a well-written prompt, and Claude can help you generate a professional-looking result. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tutorials.